Tara, if something would have happened to our baby today, then I would have been deeply traumatized. I have high hopes from our baby. I have high expectations from him. He'll grow up. I'll play with him. I'll hear his laughter. I'll give him all the happiness that a good father wants to give to his child. Whosoever. If I come to know whosoever has tried to poison our lives, if I don't burn that person alive, then I'll not be a man of my words.
Enough of your talks about bloodshed. Stabbing, shooting, burning alive. Enough of this now. I don't want anyone to utter such words in front of my baby Deep. I had felt that the human inside you has awakened in the happiness of becoming a father, but I can't see anything of that sort. What's the use of giving birth to this baby then?
Tara, don't take any step that can cause harm to the baby.
No mother in the world causes harm to her baby Deep. But the sins committed by the father surely speaks darkness in the future of his baby. But why am I saying all this? When I very well know that it makes no difference to you if I'm alive or dead. If it really made a difference, then you would have never left Arohi alive, Deep.
Oh, so this pathetic suspicion, Virat has poisoned your ears too? But his suspicion is baseless since Arohi is dead now.
Brother Virat's suspicion can never be baseless, Deep. Don't lie to me. Tell me the truth. Why have you kept Arohi alive? Answer me, Deep.
It is you who has to answer me, Tara. What were you doing at Borivali bus stop yesterday? What happened? Why are you silent?
I had followed you and reached that place because I wanted to check what is more important to you than being by my side. I was just about to reach you, but I fell unconscious.
Okay, tell me some...
Mr. Virat has called you both down quickly.
Why? Why is he in a hurry?
I don't know, but he was taking Arohi's name.
Arohi?
Inspector, say something. Didn't you go to find proof that Arohi is alive or not? Did you find any proof?
Mom, once Mr. Deep Rising honors us with his presence, you can ask me all the questions you want.
Okay. Good, even Tara is here. There, Deep has arrived as well.
Tell me, Virat. What do you want to say now?
1 minute, Deep. Vedika, will you please excuse us? Yes, Deep. I don't want to just say anything, I have to tell you something. Mom was asking about my whereabouts since the past couple of days. So since so many days I was searching for Arohi's body. I did an intensive search of the jungle. I found an old man in the jungle, whom Arohi met with in a wounded state.
I had bandaged her wounds, but the bleeding did not stop because she was shot in the leg.
After that, all of a sudden, she disappeared. This proves that Arohi is alive. After that, I sent trained sniffer dogs from the police department to all parts of the jungle. Find out whether that girl is in the jungle or whether she's dead.
We'll find it out today itself.
After 2 days of intensive search, we have a result.
So what's the result? Tell me.
I'm getting there. Mom, you obviously recognize this gun.
Of course, it's Deep's.
Yes, exactly. This is Deep's gun. I got a forensic inspection of this gun. Actually, I have found a dead body in the jungle. And through the forensic investigation, I have found that the bullet which we found from that body was fired from this gun.
So what if the bullet was fired from this gun? But whose body was it? Why are you beating around the bush?
Mum, that is Arohi's dead body. And the bullet we found from Arohi's corpse was found from Deep's pistol itself. And all this proves that Arohi is dead.
Wow, bravo. I'm proud of you.
Mom, Arohi's body was found in a very bad state. It was totally decayed and difficult to recognize. But we found this from her body. See this.
Okay.
And this is interesting, Mom. Have a look.
It's a family pictures of her.
No, there is more to it.
Okay.
Mom, Arohi had planned to destroy us completely. But before she could go through with her plan, my brother-in-law, Deep, finished her off. I'm sorry, bro. I doubted you for no reason. I shouldn't have doubted you. Arohi is dead.
Yes, she is. Thank God for that. Congratulations, everyone. I'm feeling the happiest for Virat, actually. He would have been restless till Virat found proof. And my darling Tara, I thought that Arohi would... What is the problem? Why are you so upset?
I'm not upset, Mom. I am just thinking we have already celebrated Arohi's death. So what do we do with this body?
What do you mean? Leave it and let it rot?
No, Brother Virat. We cannot let that happen.
What do you mean?
I mean that we should carry out Arohi's final rites.
Are you out of your mind? Why will we conduct her final rites?
What is the harm in doing it? Just think, Arohi was our biggest foe. She is now no more. We had already defeated her, and now she is no more. We have one, Brother Virat. And as it is, however she was, she at least had the guts to clash with us. We will rejoice by conducting her final rites. And even she will be rewarded for the valor. I don't think that in order to put an end to her chapter, there can be a better way than this.
Tara, she was our foe and we all burn our enemies alive, but we do not cremate them. If we wish that we should conduct her final rites, so who will do it? Who will light her pyre?
Deep.
Deep?
She was his wife after all. That's the least he can do for her.
Not a bad idea. I like this idea. Yes, Deep. Deep is the one who will cremate her.
What is the matter? What are you thinking? You won't be able to cremate her.
Say something. Tara is asking you something.
How can I miss the chance of burning her, Tara? As you said it yourself, it is imperative to seal the chapter of Arohi.
Whatever the elder says is true. When a calamity befalls a person, he loses his ability to think. These fools do not even know. They are rejoicing over Tara's death.
Oh God, sister. I am not understanding your plans at all. You wanted to seek revenge from Tara, or do you wish her soul to attain salvation? Why are you conducting our final rites?
Because I'm a human after all. In spite of staying with them, I haven't forgotten humanity. I cannot be so stone-hearted so as to not conduct the final rites of Tara.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.